Welcome to the computer class. Today we are going to continue chapter 14 Arrays. The objective of my today's topic is you will learn a sorting technique known as bubble sort. Students, please open your book at page number 378. Key terms: bubble sort, a sorting algorithm that works by repeatedly iterating through the array, comparing each pair of adjoining elements and swapping them if they are in wrong order. It means, students, as you have done in selection sort, that you swap the minimum element with the selected element, but in bubble sort, you are going to swap the consecutive elements. Let us discuss the principle of bubble sort. The principle of bubble sort for arranging an unordered list in ascending order is: number 1, compare two consecutive elements and swap if required. Number 2, the largest unsorted element gets its place after each complete traversal. Number 3, repeat the process n-1 number of times. N is the size of an array. Number 4, modify the unsorted list by reducing the size of the list by 1 each time. Why we have to reduce the size of the list? Because after each swap, the element will get its final position. Now, let us understand it with the help of an example. Assume that we have an unsorted array with these indices. Now, to begin with, the elements at the 0 and first index are compared. Their positions are swapped if the element at the 0th index is greater than the element at the first index. Since 65 is greater than 47, so we will swap it. So it becomes 47 and 65. Now the elements at the first and the second index are compared. 65 and 70. Since 65 is less than 70, so there will be no swapping. Now the elements at the second and third position are compared. Since 70 is greater than 9, so there will be a swap. Now the list becomes like this: 47, 65, 9, 70, 37, 72, 45, 17. The elements at the third and the fourth index are compared. Since 70 is greater than 37, again a swap will occur. Elements at the fourth and fifth index are compared. Since 70 is less than 72, so no swap occurs. Then the element at the fifth and sixth index are compared. Since 72 is greater than 45, so a swap will occur. Then the element at the sixth and seventh position are compared. Since 72 is greater than 17, again a swap will occur. This results in a list with the highest element in the last position, that is 72. So in the next pass, the second highest number is placed in the second last position, and so on. This process is repeated till the entire array is sorted. Now let us understand this bubble sort with the help of a BlueJ program. Here in BlueJ, I am going to show you a program related to bubble sort. I'm going to create a new class named bubble sort. Then click on OK. Double click on it and select it and start typing the program. Public class bubble sort. Then public static void main. Here I will type my array name list equals to brackets 65, 47, comma 40, comma 9, comma 37, comma 72, comma 45, comma 70. This is my unsorted array. Now I will find the length. Int L equals to list dot length. It is a property of an array to find the size of an array. Now first do for int I is equals to 0, I less than L minus 1, I plus plus. This is my first row. And here, as I have not to select any minimum element, so I will start with the second row. For int j is equals to 0, j less than L minus I minus 1, j plus plus, and then bracket close. Students, why here I have taken L minus I minus 1? Because in my example, I have shown you that the largest element automatically gets its first position, means final position, in every pass. So that's why it will be decreasing by 1. And then I will do the swapping. For swapping, I will take a variable name temp is equals to list, then j. Then what I will write over there, list j is equals to list j plus 1, as I have to swap with the next consecutive element. So if my element is at jth position, the next element will be at j plus 1 position. So that's why I have written list j is equals to list j plus 1. And now again, list j plus 1 is equals to temp. That is my temporary variable. Then I will close the loops, and then I will print my sorted array. System.out.println the sorted array is, then bracket close, and here I will type my loop for int I is equals to 0, I less than L, I plus plus. And here in it, I will write down system.out.println, then bracket list I. Sorry. And then I will close my loop. Then my class is closed, and then my program is finished. But here I have not written any of the condition. So how it will swap the elements? For that, I have to write the condition over here. So the condition is if bracket list j is greater than list j plus 1, then in this case, it will perform all this swapping. Now this is the final program. I will compile my program. Click on compile, minimize it, right click over here and void main. So I have got my sorted array 9, 17, 37, 40, 45, 47, 65, 72. So students, in bubble sort, we have compared only the consecutive elements j and j plus 1, and then do the swapping. Do practice this bubble sort in UG. Thank you.